So vinyl siding damage is a very common occurrence, particularly with cheap or inexpensive siding. What happens is inexpensive vinyl siding has different chemical additives in it, and it can make it brittle, and it can crack, and it can fracture, and it's prone to damage. There's different products like I've even seen like people try to do Dr. Vinyl, which does vinyl seat repair and stuff like that. And there is no good way to fix vinyl siding. It's live with it or replace it type thing. And that's because if you fix it, it's like you can say, oh, there's perfect siding. There's where they fixed it. You can tell. So the only really good way to fix vinyl siding is to replace vinyl siding, or buy good vinyl siding from the start. Premium vinyl siding is what we refer to that as, so that it's less likely to have any damage or fractures or anything like that to it. And then most premium vinyl siding, their warranties are written so that if you have an issue other than somebody hitting it with something on purpose trying to damage it, it's covered under a warranty. And so there is really no good way to fix vinyl siding, but you can try. It's a really odd question because there really is no way to repair vinyl siding. So like we'll do where we're modifying a home and we have to take their vinyl siding down. And if it's really old and it was very inexpensive siding, it's affected by ultraviolet rays and it becomes brittle. And so we have to be really, really careful taking the old siding down because it's prone to fracturing and cracking, and then you can't put it back up. And if it's old, if it's 10, 12, 15 years old or something like that, the chances of you finding that same material somewhere is very low. And so we'll even forewarn homeowners like, hey, we'll take this down and we'll be careful, but if it gets damaged, there's nothing we can do about it because inexpensive brittle vinyl siding is prone to do that. And so there's been times where we've done it. It, of course, falls apart or cracks, and then we have to go back with something that is as close to it as we can to match, but nothing's ever perfect. And even if you have the exact same siding, 15-year-old siding next to brand new siding, it's like putting a brand new car next to a 15-year-old car. It's like, oh, you can tell this one's been out in the sun and has lost its sheen, whereas this is brand new and perfect. So it's really hard to try to repair vinyl siding unless it's brand new siding. And it's, example, you got siding put on your home, tornado comes through, there's some kind of storm damage, tree falls on the house or whatever. Well, you can usually get that siding material 2, 3, 4, 5 years later, put it back up, easy to work with, and no problems. But after a decade or longer, it's very difficult to repair vinyl siding.